Right guys and girls, so beginner fisherman here today. We're back at Fernhill Farm. We're doing a feeder fishing session today, so hopefully once we get set up we shall have a fish. So next time you'll see us with a fish in the net hopefully. So we'll catch you in a bit. Right guys, so we'll give you a quick update. We've had a little tiny small roach, not very big, couple of inches. But it's been quite a struggle today, hasn't it, Dad? Been quite a struggle. So we're doing a bit of feeder fishing today. Dad's trying the Fuka pellets out, so see if they're any good. And I'm on the maggot feeder, but we shall see. So hopefully we should try and catch something. Back. Right then. Right on. You nearly had your... He took yours out as I was just going to talk through the rig. Right guys and girls. So, this is the rig we're using. We'll just bring the rod back. We're using a 10-foot method feeder rod. That's what we're using to start with, Dren. We're using £10 main line straight through to the swivel, which is the barrel swivel here, which we got down to a size 16 barbless hook, down to 2 red maggots. And if you're wondering what maggot feeder I'm using, let me put it up here, just so he's free running, as you guys can see. It's a nice flat one. Just a flat one there. So that's the rig we're using. We'll run through Dad's rig later on in the episode. Right guys and girls, we just had a good knock then as I was sorting out the camera. I think I missed a tape there. But hopefully you can see that tip of both of the feeders there. That was quite a good bite as well, wasn't it? See? Proves when you look away at stuff, you're not concentrating. It usually has when you get the bite. That's what happens. We just reel her in, but snag or weed. You take the bait. Yeah, that was a good bite as well. You in? No, unlucky. Missed that one. It proves though guys, the Fukas are working, we're getting bites, but no cigar. Where's that gone? Oh. That was a good take, that was. Hey, missed that one, guys. Oh, missed that one again. How did I miss that one? Oh, we're on, boys. Oh, we're on. Oh, here we go.
No, you don't. He lost him. He lost him, have you?
Oh no, one again! You couldn't make that up. You couldn't make that up the camera, could you? You couldn't make that up. That's brilliant. Oh, that's brilliant. You couldn't make that up.
Very good.
That was very good, that was. Oh dear. Oh, that's brilliant.
That was very good.
That was very good.
That teach me, didn't it?
Right guys, as you can see, oh yeah, he wants to go back. As you can see, another little perch Another little perch, right, it's first perch, but hopefully you guys can see that. Just keep the steady phone there. That weren't the fish we had on before. I think it was a good roach, but there we go. Nevertheless, we got. Wow, what about that then, guys? Quality bream there. Lovely, lovely slab. Hopefully you guys saw that picture. Unfortunately, we thought the camera was recording, but unfortunately it wasn't, which was a bit annoying. But we'll get back to the fishing. Wind's starting to pick up, as you can see. It looks like a storm incoming. So we'll put the umbrella up just in case. Put an umbrella up. Nobody has ever known how to do it. You push it open like that. As my wonderful assistant's trying to do here. Something's wrong. No, there you go. Wait till he clicks. There you go. Hey, up, he's away. Let's push him in well. Yeah, we're going to push him in well.
Back this way, then over you.
Just there, isn't it?
Come close to the chair. There.
Alright, there.
Come on.
There you go. Just there, you want it. He's going to run you through now, my dad. He's going to run you through the rig he's using. What is it you're using?
I'm using a flat method feeder.
Yeah.
With a short hook length.
Yeah.
Onto one of these with the hair rig with one of these plastic stoppers that you already attached with a bit of luncheon meat.
Yeah.
Probably the wrong thing to do, but it's not actually doing as it should do at the moment.
No.
Of course.
Just explain to the beginners how the flat method works.
Well, the flat method works in 1 minute when I get my hook bait on, like that. You have this flat method thing there.
Yep.
And what you do, you put your hook bait in there, but
We'll just show you.
if it was a pellet, you'd put your hook bait in here first.
Yep.
And then you put your hook bait in, then the pellets, then you do this. Press it down into the pellets, and hopefully they will come away like that. And as that breaks down, your hook bait will be sat in there amongst it.
Yeah. There we go, guys. Oh.
How did I miss
Right,
that?
We're on. Yes! Little perch again. Hey. Little perch. Right, guys, as you can see, a little small wasp of a perch. But we're going to change tactics now, and we're going to put a port luncheon meat on. Let's get him back. Luncheon meat time. Well, guys, as you can see, we've had no bites yet, and it's gone quiet, hasn't it? We were just saying it's gone quiet for quite a few. Well, for quite half an hour, I'd say, 30 minutes. Good 30 minutes without no bites. It's starting to brighten up now. These blue sky is coming over, so hopefully we should catch something, which would be good. Fingers crossed. Right then, guys, quick update. We've just missed a bite there on maggots. We've had nothing at all on luncheon meat, so we're both going on maggots now, hoping to see if we can catch something. We've just missed a good take, really good take. So hopefully we can catch. Guys, then as you can see the lake behind me, that is it for today's session. We missed so many blanks. It was unbelievable. We missed so many blanks. We missed so many fish. The amount of bites we missed was unbelievable. But what a session! It was good fun, great laugh. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, because I certainly enjoyed making it, and I know my dad did too. Now, as he's off to put some of the stuff back in the vehicle. So next week we got a very special episode. We're going old school tackle, and some more laughs to come, hopefully. We'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Beginner Fisherman signing out.